Okay guys, I'm back again. Charity shop haul number 1 this will be. So I don't know how many parts it's going to be, but this is for fabric. Alexa, stop. So I've got this elastic stuff. This all cost me 25p. It's elastic, so I've got a bundle of that, and this white one. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but right. And then I've got a big wad of, well, it's not a wad, it's all material of this tartan, because I thought that would be great for using in crafts, arts and crafts and whatever. So I've got a massive one of those. There's a nice lot of chunk of material there. It's very nice as well, look. It's cotton as well. And I've got this one as well. These are the larger ones. I only got 3 larger ones. The rest are like scrappy size. This one with all clocks on it. Yeah, so we've got lots of clocks going through this one. I thought they'd be nice cut either individually, the clock faces, or just used as the pattern is. Not sure what this material is. It says exclusive, but I can hardly read it. Prestige textile designs, 100% cotton. Right, so we've got that. Then I've got this, which is, let me just fold it a minute because it keeps coming undone. Oh, there we go. And we've got this stuff, which is a gold, and it's that see-through material, sheer, like a polyester stuff. So I've got some of that. It's got specks in it of gold as well. I don't know if you can see that, but it is really pretty. And then I better move this stuff off to the side a minute. And then I've got a whole heap of this. I'll get it out. Which is lace. Okay. Whole heap of this lace. Black lace. And then the smaller pieces, let me just fold it, and I'll fold it as I'm showing you. It's the easiest way. Some of this material, that'd go nice with that tartan for Christmas sort of thing. And there's another piece as well. Let me just do that. It's probably about the same amount. No. So them two. It's really pretty, that is. And then I've got a gorgeous colour piece of polyester or something. Make a scarf out of this. It's like a very big, long offcut. Oh, hang on, I've got it round the wrong way. A second, I'll show you. It's be gorgeous as a scarf, but I would love a pattern on it. Look, it's beautiful. The colour, I love that colour. And then I've got, where's the other bits? I've got 2 pieces of this lace. It's like a lace netting. There is another piece somewhere, I don't know where it is. And then just scrappy bits. Oh, that piece as well. That's got different shades of greens and yellows in it. And then I got this one. These are smaller pieces of fabric. And then I got this one. It's another piece. They're all folded up. I'm not going to unfold them all. But they're probably... well, I can't say because I haven't unfolded them. There's that one. But they'd be great for everything anyway. And then I've got some of this. Because I've already got some of this and it's great for stamping on. But I see it. And it's cotton. It's like a... what's it called? Muesli or whatever. No, that's stuff you eat. Muslim, I don't know what it's called. It's something like that. Someone will correct me. It's not a Muslim, that's for sure. Is it halal? We don't know. Right. And that. That piece, it is a bit scraggy. Cut that off. Reuse this piece. That's fine. I love polka dots, and I found this bit. This bit's a bit scruggy on the end. Someone's made something out of it, and that was the last of the material. So we just cut that up and then put that away in our box of scraps. And we just do something with these scruggy bits. Oh, there's the other bit of that lace, the light blue lace. Hold on a second. There. And we've got some of this fabric, but I've got two pieces. Hold on a sec. Oh, I've got three pieces, have I? I just want to turn it. Oh, I can't turn that the right way. But they're all the same anyway, so... is there two or... let me have a look, there might be more. There's three pieces actually. There's one bigger and these ones. And I thought this is lovely. Look, this is 100% cotton as well. Is it by? It doesn't say. But it shows you the colour way on it. Isn't that lovely? The acorns. So I picked all this fabric up. So I was very disappointed because they usually give me scrap fabric like this. But they charged me for it. So I was quite disappointed with that. I don't mind paying for the nicer bits, you know, but these scraggly bits like this, they should really give out, really. But they seem to be in a miserable mood at the moment, especially the manager there. Anyway, another piece of that. I think they're all the same pattern, aren't they? Yeah. So it's nice lacy trim. So I had to pay for it all anyway, but I got all that material, which is nice. So I've got all those as well in bigger form. And yeah, do something with them. Be making something with them. So let's just put them all back in the bag. So I've got to sort them out before I put them away properly and cut all the scraggles off and everything. And the lace can go in another section. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I've got to put these pieces away as well. I don't know what I'm going to actually do with those pieces. Oh, I'll tell you what else I've got. Hold on. These large bundles of cotton. Now, they're for an overlocker. I haven't got an overlocker. But if I get one of them stands that have the cotton go on it, you can buy one. I can use that. And I was thinking I can use this to top up my... not actually sew with it, but to top up my, what are they called, the bobbins. So I can put black on the bobbins.